I don't think many people understand just how horrific that looks. What a hip fracture will do to you at age 75, when in reality, you know, if you do things correctly at 75, you should be out on a cruise ship with your wife or your husband and enjoying your grandkids. You should be out hiking. And instead, you know, 6 months after your hip fracture, you're 50% chance that you won't be here anymore.
That's right. Or you'll be in a nursing home otherwise as
you'll
well.
be in a nursing home.
That's right.
And that is it's such a tragedy. Every elderly fall that I see that comes through the emergency department, it just chaps my, you know what, because I know it's preventable. It would have been preventable. First of all, I don't want it to happen to me, and I absolutely don't want it to happen to any of my patients. It's hard to conceptualize that when you're 35 or 40.
That's right. You can't. It's just really,
you can't.
You can't.
But I try to explain that. And, you know, unless you will live and work in that environment, it's, you know, you're never going to fully understand that. But I really encourage that long-term 40-year horizon. You know, what do you want to be able to do when you're 80?
That's right.
I know what regular 80 looks like, and it's not pretty these days.
Hell, regular 55 or 65.
Regular 55 is,
you know, that's right.
I need to dial it back. One of the really odd things that really struck me in my 40s is I started working cardiac arrests on men younger than me. You know, when all the adrenaline wore off, I took that home with me. I don't want to have to go tell another family that their 49-year-old, you know, husband and father is dead.